Watch this video to the very end because it's going to open your eyes to some hidden features in vehicles. Number 1. Buick Enclave. You can't take Buick away from the list of manufacturers with powerful hidden compartments, as they would always add them in their vehicles, and this leaves owners thinking about where they could be. This vehicle offers about 3.75 cubic feet of hidden storage compartments. This vehicle features a rear underfloor cargo, which is still the largest of any hidden compartments. It measures 3.1 cubic feet, making you easily store extra cargo here. A glove box can also be used to keep several items, such as tags, phones, keys, and much more. Number 2. Jeep Grand Cherokee. This vehicle gives you all that you need in an SUV. Even though Jeep hasn't announced its hidden compartment on this vehicle, trust me, some eagle-eyed owners have found some. It has been discovered that there is a hidden spot underneath the bin, placed around the accessory's power socket. To locate this compartment, pull the bin up firmly, and once the bin is removed, you can easily see the floor where you can store your items, such as phones, iPads, and other small gadgets. Number 3. Infiniti G35. This vehicle features a rear foldable armrest with a small chamber where passengers can easily hide small objects. There is a large sporting dose of cabin room with storage space in the vehicle, which is strictly meant for holding first aid supplies. If you want to confirm this hidden compartment, you can check it in the back seat area. Although the G35 is an old model vehicle, its hidden compartment is cool. If this hidden compartment is a must-have for you, you can consider getting the G35 sedan. However, you can also go for the newer model, as it has a hidden compartment just like the old model. Number 4. Volkswagen Golf GTI. If you have some documents or little gadgets that you want to hide, the Volkswagen Golf GTI remains one of the best vehicles with hidden compartments that offers plenty of value for its owners. The GTI offers several hidden sections that you can use to keep your stuff. It has secret spots for holding things, which are included in the space beneath the cup holder, underneath the center console and back seat, even behind the dash vents. If you're optimistic about cars and their hidden compartments, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a like.